Good morning, Kabalan, and welcome sa Michael's Homestay. So it's a sunny morning here in Bolinao at nandun yung mga kasama natin. So we're waiting for the coffee. Ito, nauna na.
Good morning!
Nauna na si pare nga lang.
Good morning, Philippines! Kape tayo.
Ayan.
Black coffee.
It's a fine,
Ay!
what?
Hindi ka basa.
Hindi. Ano ba ngayon? Thursday?
29 years.
Thursday?
29 leap year.
Leap year?
Yes!
Yeah. So it's leap year pala ngayon. Tingnan muna natin mga kasama natin dito at kakape na sila.
Kayla reto. Dates lang din, pero di ako reto ngayon.
Okay, good morning.
Good morning!
So, nagkakape na ba kayo?
Yes. Agad ako mag-rebeli ng din ako. Bisa, ninano kayo.
Ayun si Madam, oh. Iba na naman yung costume ni Madam. Nala rin. Dates. So, may dates tayo dito.
Ako din ako.
Ayun, no? Ito tayo banda rito. So, mag-walk tour tayo dito sa may farm ng Michael Homestay. So ito yung pinaka-entrance niya. Punta natin. Dahil kahapon di tayo masyadong nakapag-focus dito eh. So meron siyang mga mango plantation. At halos sila ay may mga bulaklak na. So expected na maraming mangga rito pagdating ng summer. Located pala ito sa may Barangay Calbayo, dito sa may Bolinao, Pangasinan. Tuturo ko sa inyo yung pinaka-entrance natin. Ayan, Michael's Homestay. So just a few minutes away from the main road. And then yung dito, hindi pa tayo nakakapunta dyan. Ayan o, Michael Homestay. So, nasa 3 hectares yung land area ng place na to. And then, may mango plantation at may mga rooms, may mga villas na mga bagong tayo. Rin dito. Dito yata nakatira yung mga pamangkin ni Michelle at may mga alaga ring rabbit at saka tuta. Yan.
I'm from a cancer patient.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Ice coffee now. Ice coffee now.
Ice coffee now.
Yeah.
But last night was the other.
Before it was hot coffee, now ice coffee.
Ice coffee.
Because you both have to long time.
Yeah. I should be drinking ice.
Everything now is up to the person. How to control everything. How to control sugar. And I kept reading.
Good morning, madam.
My dad died.
Good morning, madam.
Uniform?
Yeah.
Yung uniform nyo?
I like your outfit today.
Oh, taga?
Yeah, I like your outfit. The lady in green. The lady in green.
May flower
Yeah.
na siya.
Oo nga.
Pinaninindigan ko
Oo.
ang buhay probinsya.
Oo. Tama
You
lang.
have to
Dahil,
live.
yeah, because pagbalik mo ron, iba na naman.
Balot. Yan, masarap yung kape na yan. Dahil sa...
You cannot. I try. I start here.
Okay.
This date, there is time for male and there is female. Here, and there is, I tell them how they smell. They are very big, and the best people who are. Yeah. This is male. This is female. Female. That's good. One male enough. Can give for all. This is male. See? Female.
You mean there's a gender among these plants?
Yeah. What one lips is coming like this is male.
Male.
One is coming more than one is female.
So female has a lot of stems.
Yes.
Yeah.
So, dito dito na din.
On that note, also I want to marry these women. The second marriage,
If she is pregnant or anything, something like this, one husband, you know who is who is the father of your children. You will know. But if the woman she gets married for also, who is the father of my children? She doesn't know.
Bago panto lang,
That's why the woman not allowed. Second thing, the woman.
So may naririnig tayong kaguluhan dito. Tignan natin.
Ay, hello po. Good morning.
Good morning. So what's going on here? Anong kaguluhan yan?
Na-harvest ko, na-harvest.
Anong kaguluhan? Naririnig ko kayo. Andun ako eh.
Nagluluto sila.
Nagluluto?
Sama mo kami. Breakfast. Danggit.
Ano bang i-offer sa atin ngayon ni Madam Boda?
Danggit. Ayan, danggit. Itlog.
Itlog. Asan ba yung mga danggit? Ito oh. Ito. So, oh, sarap na. Ito, original na danggit.
Bawal muna tayo ng mga meat kasi.
Tama yan. Saan galing ito? Ba't napakalagi?
Binili ni Abdullah.
Nililip gula ha. So, tapos meron din tayong gulay.
Yes. Kaya hindi kasi dito ang nila eh.
Healthy living.
Diba? Na-picture natin yung buwang kayo.
Oo.
Kilo na kayo.
Ha?
Kilo na kasama na.
Busy kayo kasi yan eh.
Hindi, minum tayo.
Ang lambot ng kamay.
Ang lambot ng kamay niya. Donya.
Ano? Meron pa tayong ano.
Oy,
Massage
pinasadya ko ng Donya.
Dapat yung dito. Yung pag sa huli na, hindi pa naman huli. Pero sinasabi ko lang sa inyo.
So, it's the second day. Ito yung almusal natin ngayon. Danggit, itlog. Ano kanyan? Chapsuy at saka bangus. Kumusta yung breakfast natin?
Sarap. Kain tayo, bro.
Yun, oh. Yan.